Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today is going to be a super quick and easy review of the Philips Norelco 7000 all-in-one multi-groomer. That's a mouthful, but stay tuned and we're going to show you what it looks like. All right, so you know the drill. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, put some comments down below, and I will be sure to also put the link in the description of the product that I'll be reviewing. Here is the trimmer in all of its glory. As you can see, it is a 23-piece set, all stainless steel. At least that's what they're advertising on the box, as well as the trimmers that are included. It is also washable, so you can throw it in the sink or the shower whenever you're done trimming. It's supposed to be an all-in-one multi-groom trimmer, so your beard, your hair, your body, even your nose. So pretty much anywhere you have hair and you want to trim, this is supposed to be the guy. I picked it up for about $59 on Amazon. Like I said before, I will put that link in the description if you're interested. So yeah, we're gonna break it open, we're gonna charge it, we're gonna test it and see how it works. My little baby knife. Alright. Pretty straightforward. Got our little charger here. Here are the attachments. Gives you all different types of the millimeters. I guess obviously if you want to go thinner or longer on your beard. A little cleaning brush. It looks like they give you a little handy dandy case. You want to store it in there for when you're traveling. We don't need that. We know how to use that. Oh, also one thing to mention, they do say a 5-year warranty on this. I don't know about that. Alright, so we're just gonna go right into this guy. And there it is. Yeah, it feels very sturdy. All stainless steel, they were not lying. I don't know if you could hear that, but yeah, that's metal. Looks like stainless steel. And that's the head. Let's see if it has any juice. Here are, I guess, the main attachments here. Like I said, you have the wide trimmer. There goes another of the plastic ones. This is the precision trimmer. Here is a little, the shave really close to the beard. And here is the nose trimmer. I'm gonna charge this up and then we are going to test it. We'll be back in a bit. All right, we're about to get up close and personal. We're in my bathroom. I charged it up. It's all ready to go. This is what it sounds like. Not too loud. Sounds like a typical trimmer. I figured out how to change the head on it. It's really easy to do. You just kind of lift it up from here and then you pull it up. Boom. And then you can grab your other head. They're all the same way. I almost dropped that. I caught it. Just FYI. Just slip it this kind of clip here. This one goes into the unit right there. Go down. And you snap it right in, and that's it. Really easy to switch out the heads. We're gonna try the guard. I'm a little scruffy, not too bad, but I usually try to keep it short. So I want to try the 2 millimeters, which is right here. Slide it on there, flips on, and that is it. Let's check it out. Cut really quick. Didn't pull any hairs, barely felt it on my skin. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. That's the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000. I give it 2 thumbs up so far. It's really well built, solid construction, real smooth on my skin. Didn't pull any hairs, really easy to use. The only thing I'm really concerned about is gonna be the battery life. They say 5 hours of battery life. I want to see how that lasts after a few minutes of using it, but so far pretty content after the first use. So let me know what you think. If you pick one up, drop a comment, and I will catch you in the next one, guys. See you later.